In this tutorial, I'm going to provide you with the do's and don'ts of starting a YouTube channel for your brand. Starting a channel on YouTube is relatively simple, but getting found among the millions of channels can present a bit of a challenge. Your YouTube channel represents your niche, which you need to ensure is presented creatively if you want to stand out from the competition. Here are some of the do's and don'ts for starting a YouTube channel. Do: make sure everything is set up properly. The lighting and camera setup for recording your video is crucial. Having efficient lighting and a quality camera play a significant role in being able to deliver a high-quality video. Once you decide to set up a YouTube channel for your brand, it is essential that you set up everything before you start. Do: collaborate. Collaborating with other professionals in your industry is a great way to expand the reach and target a broader audience across the platform. Talk with other professionals in your niche and ask them if you can host a guest video for them. Collaborating in this manner to cross-promote products can help you reach more of your target audience. Do: tag your videos. Tagging your videos is incredibly important if you want to attract an audience. Take the time to research appropriate keywords that are searched for often concerning your niche. Tag your videos appropriately to attract more high-quality subscribers to your channel. Don't publish all your videos at once. The best way to attract new subscribers and keep them is by publishing new videos on a schedule. The best way to set up a new channel is by posting a video once a week for at least 4 months. To increase your subscribers, plan to post a new video at the same time every week so that your audience will have something to look forward to. Don't neglect the audience engagement. If you want to grow your channel and be seen as an authority in your industry, it is imperative to interact with your subscribers. Don't fail to reply to comments left on your channel and take any feedback you receive to heart. Don't publish low-quality videos. Your YouTube channel is a product of your business and represents your brand. Publishing low-quality videos to your channel will reflect on the standards of quality that your company holds. Having poor audio, lighting, or camera work will drive viewers to another channel. Utilizing YouTube to promote your business can be very lucrative. To ensure that you have the best chance for success, be sure to take these do's and don'ts into account when you're setting up your